Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we're going to show you a outside door handle replacement on this 2006 Malibu, same as the Malibus of this vintage as well as other GM vehicles. The only tool you'll need is a T25 Torx Driver, and you may want to do this if your door handle breaks or if you want to upgrade to chrome door handles. Okay, there's a little plug here. Pull that out. T25 Torx wrench, and you can see a screw kind of diagonally in here. Remove that. And we'll speed it up here as I'm just unscrewing that T25 Torx screw. Okay, now pull out on the handle. Okay, and you can pull out on this here, that just comes right out. And go back with the handle and right out. Okay, reinstallation, just a reverse. Okay, have the handle back, put it in, slide it forward, then you can pull it out, reinsert that part of the handle. Take your Torx screw, put it right in. Tighten it nice and firm, and then put your cap back in. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.